Welcome to Dolphin Inesis. Here I'll give an information on Hishebnis means finance management. Finance management system is a very important application which will help you to manage the financial activities of any business like accounting, financial reporting, account receivable or payable, bank reconciliation, ledger of accounts, receipts and payments, cash flow, profit and loss account and balance sheet, which will help your business to ensure complete real-time visibility into the financial performance of the entire business. Now let's see how this application works. To enter into this application, please enter login details, client ID, username, password and click on next. Further proceed with company details. Select company name, select branch name, select financial year and click on login. In this way we enter into this application. Now we will go through the menu structure: masters, transaction, reports, utility and exit. Exit from the application. In master, we do one-time entry which will help you in further forms. In masters, we have accounts related, inventory master, contact related, company related. In accounts related, we have person and organization. In person and organization, we enter details of the person or organization. In account master, this is a very important form where we create accounts as per account type, transaction name, schedule type and enter opening balance for the same. Schedule master, transaction type, tag, currency, defined register and document series. The second menu is transaction. In transaction, we have company related financial transaction, purchase or expense bill entry, sales entry, bank cash, petty cash, receipts and payments, petty cash account effect transfer, journal voucher, debit note or credit note, bank reconciliation and credit or debit vouchers and bill settlement. Now we will see purchase or expense bill entry. In this form, we enter purchase bill from the supplier. This is the header part of this form. Select document series, supplier bill number, supplier bill date and supplier name is the detail of the supplier. Select supplier name. Cost center group name and cost center subgroup name is optional. Using this facility depends upon your organization. Narration and click on save. This is the footer part of this form. In this form, you have to enter inventory details. For that, you have to select item, item group, item subgroup, item description, unit, rate, quantity, amount, discount percentage, discount amount and batch number. Further, you also have to select tag, VAT, CST or GST in future and click on calculate. It will generate the item amount. After entering all these details, click on save button. In this way, we enter the details of the purchase bill. Now let's move on to the sales entry. In this form, we enter details of the sales entry. This is the header part of this form. Select document series, customer name, transporter and commission agent. Commission percentage is optional. Using this facility depends upon your organization. Narration and click on save button. This is the footer part of the same form. In this form, you have to enter sales details. For that, select item, item group, item subgroup, item description, unit, rate, quantity, amount, discount percentage, discount amount and batch number. Further, you have to select tag, that is VAT, CST or GST in future. After that, click on calculate. It will generate the item amount and click on save button. In this way, we enter the details of the sales entry. Now let's move on to the bank cash, petty cash, receipts and payments. In this form, we enter the details of the transaction related to the bank cash, petty cash, receipts and payments. For that, select document type, type check number, select cash bank name, narration if it is necessary, amount and click on save. In this form, you have to select main account name, amount, select credit. After entering all these details, click on save. It will show you green flag mark when the amount tally. Otherwise it will display red flag mark till the amount doesn't tally. In this way, we enter the details of bank cash, petty cash, receipts and payments. Now let's move on to journal voucher, debit or credit note. In this form, we enter the details of journal voucher, debit note or credit note. For that, select document type, select document series, narration if it is necessary, and click on save. Now we have to select both the account on the footer page. Now we have to select both the account on the footer page, that is debit and credit. Process is same as bank cash, petty cash, receipts and payments. In this way, we enter the details of the general voucher or debit note or credit note. Now let's move on to bank reconciliation. In this form, we tally the transaction amount with the bank statement or passbook. Now we'll select the bank name, select the from date to date, type all record, check number and click on display. In this form, we tally the transaction amount with the bank statement or passbook. You have to enter clearing date as per statement or passbook and click on save. In this way, we enter the details of bank reconciliation account. Now let's move on to the reports. In reports, we have master report, financial report, inventory management. In master reports, we have account master report, cost center group and subgroup report. In financial reports, we have day books, in that bank cash, petty cash book, receipts and payment voucher, quotation and estimation printing, receipt and payment statement. After that, register and ledgers. In that, bank cash receipt and payment register, sales register, purchase register, journal voucher, that is debit note or credit note register, general ledger and bank reconciliation. After that, receivable and payable. In that, receipts and payments wise settlement, receivable and payable with settlement, purchase related reports, in that item wise purchase. After sales related reports, that is challan printing, invoice printing, sales analyze, account finalization statement, in that receipt and payment statement, trial balance, income and expenditure account, profit and loss account statement and balance sheet. Now we'll see the some important reports. The first report is account master report. In that you can see the assets and liability with the debit and credit amount. The second report is balance sheet, in which we have liabilities and assets. The third report is bank reconciliation statement. In that you can see the description, opening balance, deposit and cleared, payment issue and cleared. This is the summary of bank reconciliation statement. You get the balance as per bank book and as per bank statement. The next report is general ledger. You can see here the opening balance and the description with the amount. The next report is profit and loss statement. You can see the particulars and amounts in this report. Bank payment voucher. This is the receipt of bank payment. You can see the bank name, date and receipt number with the account name and total. The last report is trial balance all accounts. Here you can see account name with the debit and credit amount. The fourth menu is utility. In this you can create the user account. In utility we have admin, financial data update process, year end routine. In admin we have data daily backup, data lock and unlock, user account creation, change password, update new data structure. Exit, exit to application, exit to exit from the application. Thank you.